to my kitchen. I am Jai Shri Krishna. I am Bhavani from Rishi's Aapki Rasoi. Today my menu is masala idli. That is, we make masala dosa, isn't it? So I just want to try why can't we do this masala idli by just pouring that masala inside the idli batter. Idli batter in the sense, once I put it on the idli plate, after that I'll do it and I'll show you how I do it. And the combination is tikka, that is a very hot tomato chutney. Now for this I'll be adding very little onion, just half an onion and 4 tomatoes and 4 green chilies. Now with this I'll be adding salt and red chili powder, and I'll show you the process. Now I have to just fry it initially and cool it and then grind it, not with a very fine paste but coarsely. After that I have to add water, and in that I have to put basin and then mix it and make it into a uniform smooth solution, and I have to just give the chonk or tadka. Tadka means I have to season it with mustard seeds and then pour the ground chutney along with that basin water, and that will thicken a bit, and then garnish it with the green coriander. Now I'll show you when I put the masala idli on the idli mold. Now first I will show you how I make the chutney. I have to just add 1.5 teaspoons of rye and then onion. Onion also should not become too pink, just I have to saute. Then add the green chilies. Just after a minute I have to add this tomato. These tomatoes I have to saute a bit. Now to this itself I have to add salt and just 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and then red chili powder. This I always grind it at home because I must get both the flavors and the color. Just by drying the red chilies in the hot sun and grinding it in the mixie coarsely. So now this I have to fry a little bit because the chili powder, that fresh smell has to go, and tomato has to cook a bit. So I'll be sauteing. So after this I have to cool this and then grind it into a coarse paste, and then I will show you the process. I'll show you the process after. Now today this is the masala idli, for which I have readily prepared the masala with 2 potatoes boiled and smashed, and little onion, green chilies and salt and haldi powder. Now I have given the karam, that is tikka or the spiciness, only with green chilies. No other masalas I have added. This is how we prepare for the masala dosa, the masala for masala dosa. The same thing I have prepared, and now I will show you how I am going to make this masala idli. Now this is my idli mold, and I will be pouring just this much. And this I have to necessarily do with the hand because I have to pour it like this. And a layer of batter on this. Like this I have to do with all the. You have to be careful with the quantity of masala we are adding, because if you add more, this will not spread throughout the idli but it will break the idli. So you have to be careful. And now I have shown you how I have poured the idli batter on this. First just 1 spoon or 3/4 spoon of this, and I have to put the masala in that and again cover it with just a 1/4 spoon of this. And I have put all the 7 idli molds. Now I've already started heating the water. I'll be closing the lid, and this has to steam for nearly 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, I want to do the seasoning of my tomato chutney. I'll be adding oil. Again a bit of rayi. Once it sputters, I have already ground the tomato for the chutney. I showed you how I seasoned it with little sorting of tomatoes, with green chilies, a little of salt and red chili powder. Now this I have to add again, give it a boil. Once the rye or the mustard splutters, I have to just add this. This I have to add and give it a boil. Just have to give it a boil. And once it boils, I have to thicken it with just 1 tablespoon of besan with half glass of water. It should be thin like this. It should not be thick, because when I add to this should just slightly, it should thicken. It should not solidify. That is why I'm demonstrating this. Just it has to come to a boil. Then the final stage is the plating. I'll get back to you. This is my masala idli, which I have displayed on the plate. I have cut it also because I have put the masalas inside the idli, and I just want to show you how I steam it along with the masala. And just I have just decorated with the coriander leaves, and that is optional. And the side dish is tomato chutney. I told you the process how I do it, and this also I have garnished along with coriander leaves, and that is the masala which I have kept it, and that masala only I have put it inside the idli. And this is nothing but what the masala which we use for masala dosa, that is with onion and potato. It's a very, very yummy dish, and I hope you all like the recipe. And if you like it, please try it and then comment on it and come back to me. And if you like it, please subscribe, like and then share. Thank you very much. Jai Sai Ram.